Hi again, it's me, Mrs. Hughes. Thank you guys for filling out the art supply survey form today and letting me know what kind of supplies you were able to find at your house. It's my recommendation that now that you've assembled your supplies, you can see here I have my colored pencils and my crayons. I have the little sketchbook that I made because I decided that that's what I wanted to do instead of use one of the notebooks that I have. But you can see I have my pencils, my colored pencils, my pens. I have my color crayons and my sketchbook. And I recommend that so that we can find these things easy for class every day or easy for when you want to make artwork, right? That you put these together someplace for yourself so that you know where everything is. Maybe when you did your art supply hunt, you found some other things. Like I found a little stapler that I didn't know that I had, and a roll of tape, and a scissors. And I might find some of these supplies to be useful later. And if I keep them together, I will be able to find them. So what I'm going to do is now go on a hunt for some kind of box or bag where I can keep these things kind of together as an art kit. So maybe you have like a clear Ziploc bag at your house and you can put all of these things together in a plastic bag, a Ziploc bag. That would be great. Maybe you have an old gift bag. So somebody had given me a little present and now I have this fun, colorful bag and I can tuck all of my supplies into this bag, and I know that this is my my art class bag now, so that I can find my things. Okay, maybe I can't find a gift bag or a plastic bag, but we had takeout. So this is plastic takeout. I had that. We had some food delivered in from a restaurant a couple weeks ago actually, and this was the leftovers container, and my supplies are going to fit all in here. My little book is actually even small enough that it just fits inside this box, and so I can put everything in this box and I know that this is my art box, or I can put all my supplies inside and keep my sketchbook on the top. My crayons would even fit in there. Maybe you have an old pencil box or an old like zipper pencil case that you can put your supplies in. So this is a really old one from when my daughter was in middle school, and it's got this top section. So I found an eraser. These are some Post-it notes that will go in here, and now I can put my other supplies in here so that I know where all of my stuff is, and I can put my notebook or my sketchbook with that. So hopefully after finding your supplies and filling out my art supply survey so I can kind of see what everybody at home is working with, you find a place to put your supplies so that you can find everything really easily. Happy creating.